It is 6 o'clock. We should wake up early.
Good morning.
Good morning. Today is our waterfall trip.
Today is the day!
We should eat healthy food.
Yes, homemade food is best.
I packed my cap and shoes.
Good. Wear shoes with good grip.
Look at the green fields.
I can see cows and goats.
This tea is refreshing.
It feels good to take a break.
It looks like a forest.
Yes, we are close now.
I can hear the waterfall.
It is beautiful.
Nature is amazing.
I am wet.
That is okay. Enjoy it.
Do not go too close.
Okay, Dad.
The water is very cold.
Yes, but it feels nice.
This will be a good memory.
Yes, we will remember this day.
I will keep them.
Family trips are important.
They bring us closer.
Look at these, Dad.
Remember the waterfall where we found them?
Of course, son. That was an amazing day.
It was a very special trip, wasn't it?